You're probably fed up with all the online income hype and the strategies that seem to succeed for everyone except you. Maybe you've already stepped into dropshipping or tested affiliate marketing or Amazon FBA, only to realize it's much harder than influencers claim. Now your feed is full of motivational videos promising fast cash, but reality doesn't quite match that dream. This video is meant to protect your time and your wallet, and to explain honestly how online income actually works. Make sure you stick around because I've got something valuable for you at the end. Relax, I'm not here to pitch you anything. I went through plenty of online experiments myself. At first, I assumed success was just about choosing the right model. I offered services on Fiverr and got zero traction. I tried trading and wiped out my savings. That's when I started wondering what I was doing wrong. The issue wasn't that these systems were fake. It was that they don't work the same way for everyone. Almost every online income model can work, but each one demands skill development and consistency. The real challenge isn't whether they produce money, it's whether the effort and cost are worth it for you. Some routes take months, sometimes years before they pay off. So here's the real question. Which path offers meaningful results without draining your resources? I took time to study the main online income options and narrowed it down to two with solid potential. I'll break them down shortly. The internet is like a marketplace on steroids. Someone is always trying to sell you something. Even programs built around tools nobody's heard of, promising that $1,000 will magically turn into millions. Sounds ridiculous, right? That said, not every course is worthless. Most of the knowledge inside them is available for free online. A quick YouTube search can teach you a lot. What paid programs really offer is structure and access to a supportive community. Certain buzzwords should raise immediate suspicion. Terms like passive, guaranteed, effortless, risk-free, or instant. Those are usually warning signs. The ideas I'm about to share are totally automatic and guaranteed. I'm kidding, of course. Let's talk about Kindle publishing. This involves releasing books through Amazon's KDP system. You can promote them with paid ads on Amazon or social media, or you can market them organically on TikTok. Here's how that works. Search relevant book hashtags on TikTok. You'll notice plenty of creators driving sales to Amazon. Many post 2 or 3 clips daily featuring their books. Their goal is to spark viral momentum. When a format takes off, they repeat it. This strategy applies to many genres, but it performs especially well with journals, planners, coloring books, or humor books, because those categories spread easily on social media. Imagine you publish a book priced at $16. That's roughly your profit per sale. Now suppose one TikTok hits 100,000 views. Even if just 1% purchase, that's about 1,000 buyers, potentially earning around $7,000 from one strong video. Here's a quick breakdown of the process. Set up a KDP account, create your book, launch a TikTok profile, upload your book to Amazon, post daily short-form content, double down on what gains traction. Now let's move to what I consider the strongest option, YouTube. Some creators have built thriving channels with just a handful of strategic uploads and turned them into serious revenue streams. To understand YouTube earnings, you need to know 2 terms. CPM refers to what advertisers pay per 1,000 monetized views. RPM is what you actually earn per 1,000 views overall. Once you qualify for monetization, ads generate income for you. But ads are only one piece of the puzzle. Start by selecting a niche you enjoy and that has earning potential. Study your ideal audience carefully, produce content including scripting, editing, voiceover, titles, and tags. You can outsource parts of this or handle it solo. After uploading, monitor click-through rate and watch time. Strong metrics push YouTube to recommend your content. Success comes down to one formula. Create videos people are excited to click and finish watching. Both approaches can work with consistency. Define clear income targets. If you just want side income, manage it yourself. If you aim higher, consider outsourcing to scale faster, because leverage accelerates growth. The journey won't be perfectly smooth. Challenges are part of the process. Every obstacle builds experience and sharpens your awareness, so the next time you face it, you're prepared. I also put together a resource analyzing multiple online models, so you can choose wisely. Drop a comment sharing your experience with online income. I'll catch you in the next video.